Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your video in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. You are just going to prepare your logo, and for example I'm going to add the Instagram logo to my video. So yeah, drag your video to the track and just add a logo as an overlay put on top. Just body duration is and length. You can resize. Just body position. So okay, you can adjust for the scale, blending, right? Can add text, change the text. So, and just for the position, like so. Oops. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.